co-founder and CEO at Nuvo. So Nuvo is the all-in-one decentralized credential platform. Another data ownership project here, but let me tell you about why we are different. So today we all see a rising demand in data ownership. The reason that so many projects are here is approved. However, there isn't one solution that's been vastly adopted yet. Not to mention, it's difficult to promote the decentralized identity technology or the so-called self-sovereign identity technology itself. So we are here to solve both problems by putting the data ownership back to individuals' hands. At the same time, we incentivize the users when they opt in to share the data. And we empower the business to focus on getting the robust engagement and retention capability. So Nuvo technology is here to remove the obstacles for businesses having to store the user data, allowing them to focus on increasing the user stickiness. On top of that, we allow both on-chain and off-chain activities, regardless of having internet access or not. Any projects in any chains are welcome to use Nuvo, and its users will be benefit from having to use the gas transaction features. So we are removing the obstacles of having the users have to have certain tokens in order to do transactions. And we achieve this by working with the Ethereum Foundation to launch the BOS wallet feature. We are here to provide the Web2 experience with Web3 technology. So why Nuvo was the seed? We go above and beyond to address the user retention issue. And with our incentive mechanisms, the users will support and want to use us. Brave browser is one of the examples. So here is how it works. The end users can interact with any applications that use Nuvo, at which time the applications can have access to the user's data. But here is where the magic will happen. Any other applications or marketers can actually go through Nuvo to identify the user they want to target at and request data from those end users. The end users will review the request and consent to share. At that time, this user will receive token incentive as a return. And the marketer will get a good quality and verified data that's shared directly from the end user themselves. So it's a win-win situation. So the first use case I want to share with you is conference event, which is the first vertical market that we aim to target at. Any organizers can work with Nuvo to issue NFT as event entry tickets. And furthermore, they can use such NFT pages to further interact with others and able to contribute to the data creations. And the end users can even specify what kind of area they're specifically interested in. The marketers can target and load to push the advertisement over. When the end users receive such information, they can happily receive because that's something they want to see. At the same time, they receive token incentive. So another win-win situation here. Any applications or businesses can partner together through Nuvo, provide a better start point, better status for the end users, and therefore they will be able to support each other to grow the new user acquisition. Additional use case here such as a contractor pay stub, proof of purchase is only to show you that we have a great potential to launch into other vertical markets. So we have two live products. Nuvo One is built for developers and business to allow developers to build a DApp with ease through REST API, and throughout the communication framework, they can interact with end users. Nuvo V is built for the end users. It's a combination of crypto wallet, data wallet, and users can also use exactly the same profile to interact with others to socialize. As of today, we already have more than 100 apps adopt Nuvo, and I'm happy to share we already reached the 50K active user milestone. So we are targeting a decentralized identity and global customer engagement solution with a total 39 billion total addressable market by 2027. And we are targeting at focusing on the user acquisition and project onboarding for this year. If you are interested, let's share more. We will have more detailed go-to-market strategy. So here is our team. Myself is a co-founder and CEO. We are a very seasoned team leader in the technology field, regardless of Web2 and Web3. Our CTO, Yuan Jie, is also a co-founder and CTO of a very successful production company with more than 100 billion market cap. And we have advisors here, SSI Meetup, a team of very seasoned leaders in the industry, as well as Kevin and Andrew from Framework as our legal advisors. We are seeking 2 million for Series A, which will be utilized for sales and marketing as well as product development to improve the user experience. And I believe I go over time. Thank you very much for your guys' time.